Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna do a quick update on my locks and how it's been so far. So as I always do when I start these videos, I'm gonna show you guys how my locks are looking so far. So they're looking like this. So I want to say I'm at 19 months. It's February 2022. So I'm officially at 19 months since I have locked my hair. So just some quick little changes that are pretty much obvious. You can clearly see the length, okay? The length is here. And I do still have some shape from the twist that I did the beginning. No, yeah, I did this twist last month, like towards like midway January. I did this, and we're like about midway February, so it's been a month or so, and you can still see some of them still kind of have the shape, and some of them don't. But look at me, like you can't tell me nothing because this length, baby. Okay, but yeah, that is the length. That's like one of the very obvious changes. And then another thing that I will say, I mentioned this last video, but this video I just want to say it again to show you guys. So I haven't done my retwist. It's been a month since my retwist, and my hair, you can tell that it's not fresh, but it's also not as frizzy or as untamed as you would think for someone that hasn't done it in a month. I know most people retwist in like 4 to 6 weeks. I'm really slowly trying to go away from the 4 to about 8. 6 to 8 is really what I aim for. And I notice now that my locks are more mature, I can pull off like longer in between my retwists, and my hair is not really looking like, like, oh my gosh, you know what I mean? Like, it's not really giving that right now. And I really like that. And I should mention, this is before I wash my hair. So I haven't washed my hair since that retwist, and my roots, hello, you know, they're still looking pretty good. And I really like that. And then one more thing that I will mention, the ends, yeah, they're still not, it's just, I just I just don't even worry about it. I just let it do what it wants to do. It is what it is. Um but that's pretty much it for like some of the obvious thing that I'm like, oh, okay, this is something that's new. I haven't really noticed this before and things like that. I will say though, y'all gonna be so proud of me. I have really been like, trying to keep up with the moisture routine because y'all know I be struggling with that. I really do. But a couple mornings, I was doing my little leave-in conditioner and the oil. So like I've really been trying to, my goal for this year was just trying to, do my moisture routine more often because I did it, but like not as much as I should. Even though, like it's not, I personally don't feel like it's really holding back my journey by much, if any at all. But I do want to try to do it more than I was before. And I will say I don't do it every day or every other day, but I do it at least 2 to 3 times a week. It depends on the week and what I'm doing, how work is and things like that. So I will say that. I don't know, maybe I'm not really sure if it's, I don't know. I don't know. But I'm doing it, and that is what counts. Another thing is I want to try to do more styles with my hair. My go-to styles, look, that's it. Or I'll just, that's it. I don't really, I really be quick with it. So I'm really trying to be more versatile and just try more styles with it, see what I could do, you know, just to try to have fun with it and just play with it a little bit like I did when I was natural. That is pretty much it. I just want to give you guys like a quick little update. And I also wanted to show you guys, you know, how my roots are looking, you know, even though it's been a while since I did my retwist, and you know, it's looking a lot better than it used to when I first started my journey. In between retwists, it be looking a little rough, you know. So I definitely want to say that. And also make sure you brush your locks, please, because that does help with frizz. And like I said, it's been about a month since my retwist, and my frizz is not as much as I thought it would be, or as much as it's been in the past. So I want to say the brush, and definitely, you know, because it's a lot more mature now, that has definitely also helped with the frizz and how much I have. And of course, you know, the kind of hair that you have. All that stuff still comes into play even though we have locks. Cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this update. It's really not that much that's going on in terms of like drastic changes. I feel like at this point it's just the little things that you notice here and there, because you know you're dealing with it all the time, you'll notice it. But like I feel like someone, you know, would not, you know, someone that sees me every day or like every week or so would not really notice it. But it's just these little things, like these little small, oh, okay. So just these little things that I'm noticing with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just the length. The length is just going. Okay, it's really just going. Cause look at this, y'all. Y'all see it? Oh, and then I forgot to mention, shrinkage is still here. It's still here. Don't think just because you have locks. No, no, no. It's still here because you literally just saw. Look, yeah, yeah. It's still here. It's not gonna go away no time soon. Whenever I wash my hair, you know, I have a little bit of length, and then after that, it just shrinks back up. So don't think that just because you have locks, you're not gonna have it anymore. That's not true. Whoever said that lied, because I thought that. That's not true. But anyways, that is pretty much it for this video. I just want to do like a quick little update to show you guys how the hair is looking and the things that I'm noticing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And like I always say, whatever stage you are in your journey, you only need patience. Have patience with yourself and with your hair. It's your journey. Don't let nobody pressure you into nothing. It's your journey. It goes however you want it to go. Whatever works for you works for you. Don't feel like you have to do this or that because somebody else is doing it. No, don't do that. Because I hate when people do that. Don't do that. It is your journey. Make it the best that it can be for you. So that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.